ASP.NET Blogs, a surprisingly easy way to design a blog. Welcome to our guide on creating a blog using Microsoft's ASP.NET, one of the most advanced blogging platforms available today. ASP.NET stands out in the blogging world due to its adaptability and versatility, surpassing many other platforms. This program is particularly favored by coders proficient in languages like HTML and C++, though it's designed to be user-friendly for less experienced users as well. A unique feature of ASP.NET is its support for a variety of programming languages, allowing coders to work in the language they are most comfortable with. With ASP.NET, programmers have the flexibility to design their blogs in the language they excel in, making it an ideal platform for many developers. Since its release, ASP.NET has received enthusiastic feedback from the web design community, highlighting its impact and effectiveness. However, ASP.NET might not be for everyone. If you're not familiar with coding languages like JavaScript or Perl, you might not benefit directly from this platform. For experienced web designers, ASP.NET offers numerous features and capabilities that are worth exploring. Learning to create a blog on ASP.NET can also be a pathway to earning through blogging. By utilizing ASP.NET, you can attract traffic to your blog effectively. Writing engaging content is crucial, and ASP.NET provides the tools to make your content stand out. More than just a blogging platform, ASP.NET is a comprehensive tool that aids in monetizing your blog. Throughout this video, we'll dive deeper into how you can leverage ASP.NET for blogging success. Stay tuned as we cover the basics of setting up your blog to advanced techniques for drawing in your audience. Whether you're a seasoned coder or new to the world of blogging, ASP.NET has something to offer. Join us as we explore the multitude of features and benefits ASP.NET brings to the world of blogging.